Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a product to your wishlist on the Perfume sClub application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home button down below and then select a category or type in a keyword or a product name that you are looking for at the top of the screen. After that, tap on the product, scroll down and click on this heart icon that you can find in the left side in the middle of the screen. As you can see, it has been added to your wish list, so you should create a new wish list by typing in its name, tap on the plus icon, and here you will be able to find all of the items added to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.